and still you can continue learning in this system. We call that ZTE learning. After you log in, then you can choose the course or subject you want to learn or study and continue to make that online or offline. For example, here I can choose what is favorite or preferred product to learn. For example, my major is call network, so I will choose by product. Then you can choose cell phone, wireless, service product, or CNC mixed call network. For example, I'm not familiar with IMS, so I choose that. Sorry. Yes, here you can see. This is all the IMS course we can choose. Then if you want to have it, click IMS serial identification. Then download or start. Download means offline studying. Start means online. For example, I prefer online, so I click starting. Then you can see in the left side it will show the outline and the tree, and you can click from the beginning. Then you can listen.
The IMS-based applications.
Just like that. Sometimes you have already familiar with that. You want to skip that. So you can click, for example, IMS motivation. Then directly go to that side. Go that side.
There are four motivations.
Yes, like that.
Summarize. The first is the
and also you can search some keywords like SCS.
User operator is challenged by complexity.
Then search. This is all the CSF keywords mentioned in the PPT on the slides. Like that.
This is
okay. Then after that, if you want to download it, click here, download.